A positive message about Tai Chi-Qigong and MS, as told by Tony Durante from Fountain Hills, Arizona. In 2012, I was having challenges with fatigue, balance, back pain, memory loss, an unsteady gait, and difficulty finding my way home while walking around my neighborhood of 25 years. Upon my physician's recommendation, I began going to Tai Chi and Qigong classes and studying the companion DVDs while practicing for 2 hours daily in my backyard. Shortly after starting to practice Tai Chi and Qigong, I noticed I was walking straighter, stumbling less, and reacting more quickly. With faster reflexes, I was able to catch an item before it would drop from my grip. I also noticed that I was no longer getting confused while walking around the neighborhood. And my practice has allowed me to continue to hike the Grand Canyon. Wanting to share what I've gained with others, I trained and received a teacher training certificate for Easy TaiChi-Qigong and Tai Qigong. I now enjoy supporting and coaching others to develop their own individual Tai Chi-Qigong daily practice. The Tony Durante website is my way of giving back. Visit tonydurante.com, and if you find it helpful, consider making a donation to Rocky Mountain Multiple Sclerosis Society. Namaste.